Welcome to this tutorial on the dashboard feature in the CardExchange Admin Center. The dashboard serves as your central hub, providing a quick overview of key metrics and statuses related to your users, cardholders, and subscriptions. It's designed to give you an at-a-glance summary of your system's activity, helping you stay on top of your operations with ease. To access the dashboard, navigate to the Configuration section in the CardExchange controller. This will guide you to the CardExchange Admin Center, where you can manage all configuration settings for your CardExchange Cloud Suite products. The dashboard in the CardExchange Admin Center is designed to give you a high-level overview of your system's key activities and statuses. Here's how it serves its purpose and how you can effectively use it. Users. Overview. The dashboard displays the total number of users who can access the system, breaking this down into confirmed and active users. This allows you to quickly assess the level of engagement within your system. Enrollment and cardholder status. Visual charts provide a snapshot of the status of enrollments and cardholders. You can easily track the number of cards at various stages of production and see whether cardholders are active or inactive. This helps in managing the card lifecycle and ensuring that all cardholders are up to date. Subscribed applications. The dashboard also shows a summary of your subscribed applications, along with the total number of records covered by your subscription. This helps you monitor your resources and ensure your subscription aligns with your organizational needs. The dashboard is interactive and updates in real time, ensuring that you always have the most current data at your fingertips. By providing these insights in one centralized location, the dashboard makes it easy to stay informed and manage your system efficiently. The dashboard in the CardExchange Admin Center is a powerful tool that offers a comprehensive overview of your system's operations. By summarizing user engagement, card production statuses, and subscription details, it helps you manage your processes with greater efficiency. If you'd like to learn more about the general settings in the Admin Center, be sure to click the link below for additional tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.